What's the meaning of analphabetic? Analphabetic. 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 Analphabetic.
The term analphabetic refers to someone or something that is illiterate or lacks the ability to read and write. This word can apply to individuals who have never been taught these skills, as well as societies that lack access to education. Being analphabetic can significantly limit a person's opportunities in life and make it difficult for them to participate fully in society. It's important to address the issue of analphabetism through promoting literacy programs and educational initiatives that can help people acquire these essential skills.